Do you ever struggle with your blood sugar levels feeling like a puzzle you can't solve? Imagine if your favorite drinks held the secrets to help with that. In this video, we'll explore 12 different drinks that might just have the power to keep your blood sugar in check. Enjoying a tasty drink that doesn't just taste good, but could also help your body handle sugars better. Let's uncover the stories behind these drinks and how they might be the simple solution you've been looking for. Every sip could bring you closer to a life with more stable blood sugar. Join me in discovering how your favorite drink might just be the key to a healthier you. Number 1. Green tea. Green tea isn't just a flavorful drink. It's a beacon of health benefits, particularly when it comes to managing blood sugar levels. Imagine sipping on a cup of this liquid gold and simultaneously empowering your body to better handle glucose. How does it work? It's all about those remarkable antioxidants known as catechins. These little heroes have been found to potentially enhance your body's response to insulin, making your cells more receptive to regulating blood sugar. But that's not all. Green tea isn't just about your internal sugar control. It's a metabolism booster. Picture it as a sidekick, aiding in weight management, a crucial component in keeping blood sugar levels in check. By revving up your metabolism, green tea helps your body efficiently utilize energy from food, thereby contributing to more stable blood sugar levels. Now, imagine this as a daily routine, a few cups of green tea sprinkled throughout your day. It's not just a pleasant drink. It's your body's ally in the battle against sugar spikes. So, next time you reach for a cup, remember, it's not just a beverage. It's a step toward a more balanced, sugar-regulated life. Scientific insights. Research has shown that the catechins in green tea may enhance insulin sensitivity, aiding in better blood sugar regulation. Additionally, the metabolism-boosting properties of green tea catechins can contribute to weight management, indirectly impacting blood sugar levels. Absolutely. Let's expand on the benefits and captivating aspects of the turmeric latte in managing blood sugar levels. Number 2. Turmeric latte. Imagine a warm, golden-hued elixir that not only pleases your taste buds, but also holds the key to potentially transforming your body's response to sugar. Meet the turmeric latte, a blend of goodness that goes beyond trendiness. It's a potential game-changer in your health journey. Turmeric, the star ingredient here, boasts curcumin, a powerful compound celebrated for its anti-inflammatory properties. But here's the kicker. Studies suggest that curcumin might do more than just fight inflammation. It could potentially take on insulin resistance, a major player in blood sugar irregularities. By potentially reducing insulin resistance, curcumin in turmeric steps in as an ally in regulating blood sugar levels. But here's a fascinating tip. Turmeric's benefits amplify when combined with black pepper. This duo creates a synergy that enhances curcumin's absorption in the body, maximizing its potential benefits for your health. Number 3. Apple cider vinegar. Close your eyes and envision a tangy elixir that holds the potential to transform your body's response to sugar. Enter apple cider vinegar, an underestimated hero in the realm of blood sugar management. Beyond its vibrant taste, apple cider vinegar carries hidden powers that could positively impact your blood sugar levels. Picture this. Consuming a tablespoon or two before your meals might not just add zest to your palate, but could potentially work wonders in improving your body's insulin sensitivity. This means it might help your cells better respond to insulin, resulting in more stable blood sugar levels. Now, here's the science behind the magic. The acetic acid found in apple cider vinegar might be the secret ingredient. This acid could potentially slow down the digestion of carbohydrates, those sneaky sugars hiding in your food. By doing so, it might prevent sudden spikes in blood sugar that often follow meals, keeping your levels more consistent throughout the day. Imagine this as a daily ritual, a splash of apple cider vinegar in your morning routine or before your main meals. It's not just about its tangy flavor, it's about potentially supporting your body in managing blood sugar levels. Number 4. Cinnamon-infused tea. Close your eyes and envision a warm, aromatic cup of tea infused with the delightful essence of cinnamon. But this isn't just any spice. This is a blood sugar superhero cinnamon. Beyond its enticing aroma and flavor, cinnamon carries a hidden power that could potentially aid in managing your blood sugar levels. Studies suggest that this humble spice might hold the key to improving insulin sensitivity, a crucial factor in the body's ability to regulate blood sugar. By potentially enhancing insulin sensitivity, cinnamon steps in as an ally in keeping those sugar levels stable. Now, imagine this as a simple addition to your daily routine, a dash of cinnamon in your tea. It's not just about elevating the flavor. It's about potentially supporting your body's battle against sugar spikes throughout the day. Number 5. Lemon water. Imagine a tall glass of cool, refreshing lemon water, the epitome of simplicity and potential health benefits. Beyond its vibrant taste, lemon water might hold a subtle yet impactful role in managing your blood sugar levels. Lemons, with their low glycemic index and abundance of vitamin C, might be a hidden gem for blood sugar management. The low glycemic index indicates that lemons release sugars into the bloodstream at a slower rate, preventing sudden spikes. Additionally, the high vitamin C content could potentially support overall glucose regulation. Now, picture this as an effortless addition to your daily routine, a squeeze of lemon in your water. It's not just about its invigorating taste. It's about potentially supporting your body and maintaining more stable blood sugar levels. Number 6. Fenugreek tea. Imagine brewing a warm, comforting cup of fenugreek tea, a drink not just for its soothing properties, but potentially for its hidden ability to support blood sugar management. Fenugreek seeds are a powerhouse of soluble fiber, and here's where the magic begins. This soluble fiber might be the key to slowing down the absorption of carbohydrates and sugars in your body. By slowing this process, fenugreek tea could potentially assist in keeping your blood sugar levels more stable. Now, envision this as a gentle addition to your daily routine, a cup of fenugreek tea. It's not just about the warmth. It's about potentially supporting your body and regulating those sugar levels throughout the day. Number 7. Ginger infusion. Picture a steaming cup of ginger-infused goodness, a drink not just for its comforting warmth, but potentially for its hidden ability to aid in managing blood sugar levels. Ginger, famed for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant prowess, might hold another secret: its potential in supporting blood sugar regulation. Studies suggest that compounds in ginger could be the driving force behind improved insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar levels. This means that by incorporating ginger into your routine, you might be offering your body an ally in the battle against erratic blood sugar spikes. Now, envision this as a delightful addition to your daily routine, a cup of ginger infusion. It's not just about its spicy warmth. It's about potentially supporting your body and maintaining more stable blood sugar levels. Number 8. Hibiscus tea. Hibiscus tea isn't just a colorful, refreshing drink. It's a potential ally in the quest for better blood sugar control. This vibrant beverage is brimming with antioxidants, which might hold the key to managing blood sugar levels effectively. The rich antioxidant content found in hibiscus tea is believed to contribute to better insulin sensitivity, a crucial factor in how your body regulates blood sugar. Studies have hinted at hibiscus tea's potential in improving insulin sensitivity, potentially making cells more responsive to the hormone that regulates glucose uptake. Additionally, these antioxidants might aid in reducing blood sugar levels, leading to more stable glucose control. While further research is ongoing to fully understand hibiscus tea's impact on blood sugar, its potential to bolster insulin sensitivity and potentially lower blood sugar levels marks it as a promising beverage for those seeking natural ways to manage their blood sugar levels. Number 9. Bitter melon juice. Bitter melon juice might challenge your taste buds with its distinct bitterness, but within this unique flavor profile lies a trove of potential benefits for blood sugar management. This underrated fruit, though not commonly consumed, holds compounds that closely resemble insulin, the hormone crucial for regulating blood sugar levels. By mimicking insulin's action, bitter melon could potentially aid in the uptake of glucose into cells, effectively lowering blood sugar levels. Research suggests that bitter melon's compounds may enhance the body's utilization of glucose, thereby contributing to more stable blood sugar levels. While its bitter taste might be an acquired preference, this distinctive flavor is a testament to its potential as a natural ally against erratic blood sugar spikes. The potential benefits of bitter melon juice extend beyond its impact on blood sugar. It's also celebrated for its rich antioxidant content, supporting overall health. These antioxidants may play a role in combating oxidative stress, reducing inflammation, and bolstering the body's defense against various health concerns, making bitter melon a holistic addition to your wellness regimen. Beyond its potential for blood sugar management, bitter melon's compounds may have additional health perks, such as promoting digestion, supporting weight management, and fortifying the immune system. Incorporating bitter melon juice into your routine might offer a multifaceted approach to enhancing overall health while potentially aiding in blood sugar regulation. Number 10. Aloe vera juice. Aloe vera, often renowned for its skincare properties, holds a lesser-known secret that might contribute to managing blood sugar levels. Nestled within its succulent leaves are compounds that could potentially enhance insulin sensitivity, a crucial aspect of how our bodies regulate blood sugar. Studies hint at the possibility that these compounds in aloe vera may support the body's response to insulin, potentially aiding in more effective blood sugar regulation. By enhancing insulin sensitivity, aloe vera juice could potentially assist cells in better utilizing glucose, contributing to maintaining more stable blood sugar levels. Incorporating a small amount of aloe vera juice into your routine might offer a discreet yet potentially impactful addition to your efforts in managing blood sugar. Its potential benefits extend beyond skincare, offering a unique avenue towards better blood sugar regulation. Beyond its potential for blood sugar management, aloe vera's diverse array of nutrients, such as vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, could offer additional health perks. These nutrients collectively contribute to supporting overall well-being, potentially aiding in immune function, digestion, and promoting a healthy inflammatory response. However, it's essential to approach aloe vera juice consumption mindfully, considering its potency. Always opt for pure, high-quality aloe vera juice and start with small quantities to gauge individual tolerance and potential effects on blood sugar levels. Number 11. Peppermint tea. Peppermint tea isn't just a refreshing beverage. It might have a subtle yet meaningful effect on blood sugar levels. Some studies suggest that the compounds found in peppermint could influence the breakdown of carbohydrates in the body. This influence on carbohydrate breakdown might be a key factor in managing blood sugar levels more effectively. Imagine this. When you enjoy a soothing cup of peppermint tea, you're potentially introducing compounds that could slow down the breakdown of carbohydrates. This action might lead to a more gradual release of sugars into the bloodstream, contributing to better blood sugar control throughout the day. Peppermint tea's charm lies not only in its delightful taste, but also in its potential to assist your body in managing blood sugar levels. Its enjoyable flavor makes it an easy and delightful addition to your daily routine. While more comprehensive research is needed to fully understand peppermint's impact on blood sugar, integrating a cup of peppermint tea into your routine might offer a refreshing way to potentially support your body's efforts in maintaining steadier blood sugar levels. Brewing peppermint tea at home is simple. Steep fresh or dried peppermint leaves in hot water for a few minutes to extract its invigorating flavor and potential health benefits. Consider adding a slice of lemon or a hint of honey to enhance the taste and experience. Number 12. Oolong tea. Oolong tea stands out with its distinctive semi-oxidized processing, but its uniqueness goes beyond just its preparation method. It's a treasure trove of antioxidants that might offer significant assistance in the realm of blood sugar regulation. Emerging studies shed light on oolong tea's potential to impact blood sugar management by potentially improving insulin sensitivity. The antioxidants present in oolong tea could play a pivotal role in enhancing the body's response to insulin. By potentially improving insulin sensitivity, oolong tea might contribute to more efficient blood sugar regulation within the body. This means that incorporating oolong tea into your routine might be a step towards supporting your body and maintaining stable blood sugar levels. Imagine sipping on a cup of oolong tea, a unique brew that might be quietly working within your body to potentially improve insulin sensitivity. Its enjoyable taste and potential health benefits make it an appealing addition to your daily rituals. While ongoing research continues to unveil more about oolong tea's impact on blood sugar regulation, its rich antioxidant content and potential role in improving insulin sensitivity make it a promising addition to your efforts in managing blood sugar levels. Brewing oolong tea is straightforward. Steep oolong tea leaves in hot water for a few minutes to unlock its unique flavors and potential health benefits. Consider savoring it plain or adding a slice of citrus for an added zing. As our flavorful journey comes to a close, remember, each sip holds the potential to support your body's battle with blood sugar. It's incredible how something as simple as your daily drink choices can make a difference. Now, armed with the knowledge of these 12 beverages, consider adding them to your routine. Try incorporating these drinks into your day and see how they work for you. Small changes can lead to big impacts on your health. And lastly, subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on wellness and health. Stay curious, stay healthy, and remember, every sip counts towards a balanced, sugar-regulated life. Cheers to your health.